ꯂꯩꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ I have a car ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ Do you have the key ꯁꯣꯗꯨ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ I have a brother ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯕ I have a lot of work to do I have spoken class right now ꯑꯩ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕ I have a lot of work to do I have spoken class right now ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩ spoken class ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯈꯪꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ I had a nose job yesterday nose job ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ nose surgery ꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯥꯇꯣꯟꯒꯤ I am having a good time 하이디 enjoyable time 거 ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ China ꯐꯪꯕ I have a strong fever now fever 하이디 ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ I had a bad cold last month cold 하이디 ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ Auxiliary verb past participle ꯂꯧꯕ perfect 시즌ꯅꯕ I have already done my homework already 하디 ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯣ already done 하디 homework ꯇꯨ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ I had plucked a flower pluck 하디 ꯍꯦꯛꯄꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ed ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯁꯦ had ꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ third form ꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤ I'll have done my homework by the time you reach here ꯅꯪꯅ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ homework-ꯇꯨ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ Interrogative verb ꯑꯣꯏꯅ pronoun-ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ question tag ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ They haven't done their homeworks yet, have they? Have they ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ question ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯅꯦꯕ Auxiliary verb to infinitive I have to go ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ I'm having the baby right now the baby ꯗꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ discuss ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ I want to have a child sexual intercourse tauba I am having sex now don't brag about how many women you have had punaba ngamba I could have him aina madi ngamgani ka habito guest oina lausanba thank you for having me guest oirba miduna thagatpa phongdorpe waniko
Hello mayam, Rami Circle lae, angakpa offers amasung rewards mayam amaga, akaknaba matamgi, Rami Circle si adom yamna safe oy, amasung 100% legal oy ba gaming app ni, akoy skills ut na nabagitamakta. Masigi app sida Rami game sanarga paisa win tawbiyay. Rami Circle si safe and secure oy, mafam sida mi crore amahena active oy na seasonay. Aduna sanaba hiragadi sanarga paisa win tawro, haitragana practice game sanarga line tamo. Rami Circle da yamna safe oy ba facility natraga ipegi deposit method phangani, Paytm, PhonePe, credit natraga debit cards sinarga anytime deposit tawbiyay. Ahanba deposit tawda welcome bonus oina lupa lasing ani phangani. Rami Circle sanabasi yamna lai. Phone da smooth oina sizinabiyagani. Screen da yenga khangani. Aduna marup sing link adu description da download tawbiro aduga register tawda ahanba deposit tawraga lupa lasing ani phango. Noi surami sanarga pesa win tawro. Game si financial risk man chali aduna nasana sa items sung losing na sanabiu.
hardly scarcely and barely So hardly, scarcely, and barely are almost negative in meaning. Wahay ahum sige arthaji pra negative oigetaweko. Almost negative haibade. Hardly is chiefly used with any, ever, at all, or the verb can. Hardly habu wahay amaroina, any habu wahay sika, ever habu sika, at all habu sika. Natragna verb kenze, C-A-N-Z. Siga example, karayang say, he has hardly any money. very little. Ma paisa kitang gatang lay habni ko. Hardly any money haise. Very little haise. Yamna yamdaba. Like tabugum never negative never. I hardly ever gone out. Very seldom. Seldom haibu haise bauda. Toina tawdabdu seldom kawina. Very seldom hardi ki amwar mani natra. Mama panda su thok tabugum maneba. Very seldom haise. It hardly rained at all last summer. Last ki summer ko. Nanmu ki summer do. Adagi summer do da nongji chu gi de harne. Hardly rain has hardly rain at all. Nong chu gi de. I can hardly lift this bag. Ski bag say phasana thangat pangam de sinida. Man ngammaga su yam wana ngamdo. Aduni has. With other verbs, verb atay kharaga sadum sizinabdi ko. I hardly know him. Only very slightly. Aina ma khangisi am khangdaba chaman hai. Very slightly ko. Kitang gaktane ba khangisi. Hard and hardly are different. Adumadi noi khangjandaba yadabni ko. Hard and hardly have se. Ai isamak ure tare mina sizinabda lana sizinaba. Hard and hardly are different. He works hard. I positive point ma thabakan tawi thabakan sui hai never. Yam positive point ko. He works hard. He hardly works. I ma thabak tu tawdaba chamana isine tawde isine ba tawdaba chamana to. He hardly has works hardly. He works hardly. Sudabu gumane ba magi thabak ku sudu de. Adu negative hoy ba. Aduna hard hai ba hardly hai ba se. She can I study hardly hardi la leba ko. I lerak padabu mani hai ne. Aduna I study hard hardi am kasum diba. Scarcely can mean almost not and could replace hardly as used above. Scarcely have waizu laitabu mani almost not ko. Aduga sigi waizina ikoy nga sa hujik tamgiba kenogido hardly gi wahijing do adu sijinabam jing do adu mana replace to ba ya duineba hajiki hardly ever hardly any gain tawgib do adu gi mahut sillaga sinaba ya ba scarcely as artha du iman mana ba haitare. But scarcely is chiefly used to mean not quite. Adu scarcely gi magi maru ina sinabamse not quite habse. Examples yenga gyantarni not quite has kai hano habse ko. There were scarcely 20 people there, probably fewer. Mapam da mi kun gi chang da gi hanthana like probably fewer. Kun dei kitang tana ko. Fewer has. To kundi suen hendrep. Barely means not more than, only just. Aduga barely haragana masing do higher masing do they hendaba. Just adu khaktang hayab taren. There were barely 30 people there. Mapam do mi kuntramu haide. Mi kuntramu ki chang. Adai di hendreba mi je. Mi kuntramu. Only just 20 has mi kuntra. Barely. I can barely see it. Can only just see. Ubda kitang laidana ko uba kaktang neba am phasana seng na masida uba nateba ko.
Can for ability heading ngambaduni ko. I can dance well. Ai phasana dance to ngami. She can't sing. Mahak say sakpa hite or ngamde. Can you speak English? Nang English ngang bangambra. Can for permission. Can I sit here? I sit pambayagadra. Can we leave now? Koi sat payaragadra. Can I play some music? Ay music karasana bayagadra. Permission hangbudu kangiko. Can for requests or suggestions. Can we have more coffee?
Koi coffee kharaga thakisira. Can I have the bill? Bill do lawba yaragadra natraga bill piba yaragadra. You can go wherever you like. Nangna saningba mafamda chatpa yagani. Could. Could for past ability. Past ki oiba ngambado. Haukrabagi. I could run 10 kilometers when I was younger. Aina nahawaringayda kilometers tara zenba ngamammi. We could see the ocean from a hotel room. Aikoigi hotel gi kadagi samudra du aikoina uba phangami. I could see that Tomba was angry. Aina Tomba sawi haibasi urami. Could for polite permission. Polite ID taksi kasi layba kai kumnana laybak masatana. Hangba permission haitare. Hangba natraga piba ko. Could I have another cup of tea? Sa cup amaga takpayagadra. You could sit here if you like. Nang sida pamningadi pambayagani. Could you repeat that? Adu amuka hanna haibigera. Could for possibility. We talk payabako. This holiday could be really good. Masigi sutisi. Tasengna paba oibayay. Tasengna paba oibayay ko. You could go to the hairdresser tomorrow. Nang hayeng samkakpai samnong semba khotpa dazat payagani. Could this really be true? Masita sengna sumamgadra. May. May for formal permission. Formal oiba official oiba permission ko. May I come in? Ay changjarak payagadra. May I make a suggestion? Ay suggestion nama pibayagadra. May he ask a question? Mahak wahang ama hangbayagadra. May he ask a question? May to suggest a possibility. We talk payaba ma suggest ko. It may rain tonight. Ngasi numidang nong chubiyay. They may be late. Makoy tenglak payay. He may agree with you. Mahak nang nahay du yabiyay. Agree hadi yabdo ko. Yana bado. Might. Might for possibility. We talk payaba. It might be bad weather tomorrow. Hayengi weather si patabiyay. Abdi nong subiyay nong sitkansit payay anything ko. Tomba might come to the party. Tomba party the lakpiyay. Must. Must to express a formal request or necessity. I must finish the report today. Ay ngasi report adu loigadabani. Every car must have seat belts. Car kudimak seat belts yagadabani. He must give a reply this morning. Mahak ngasi gayukta pakumadu pirkadabani. Must to show that something is very possible. Yamna kanna uitok payabagi utpaitai. She must be very intelligent. Mahak yamna intelligent warambayay. Natraga warangani. There must be a lot of traffic. That's why they are late. Traffic yam lerong. Madunani makoy na tengisi. You must be tired after your journey. Salubado hadi journey ko. Journey do loirabakanda. Natraga journey do gi matungda nang yamna waramgani.
Ahanba deposit tawda welcome bonus oina lupa lasing ani phangani. Rami circle sanabasi yamna lai. Phone da smooth oina sizinaba yagani. Screen da yenga khangani. Aduna marupsing link adu description dagi download tawbiro aduga register tawda ahanba deposit tawraga lupa lasing ani phango. Noi surami sanarga pesa win tawro.